Hi everybody and welcome to my channel, Nickel and Dining. I am your host O. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been rocking with me for a while, welcome as well. I wanted to come on here, you guys, and quickly show you how I made this abstract frame wall art. So if you would like to see what I have done, then keep watching. First off, I purchased these two poster boards from Walmart, 27 by 40 inches, and they were $17 a piece. The next item, I'm going to be spray painting the frame with this metallic gold spray paint by Rust-Oleum. This is my favorite spray paint. If you like that bright gold bold look, this is the spray paint to use. Other items that you will need are some fine paint brushes, some glue sticks, a glue gun of course, some tacky glue or some Mod Podge, either one will work. And I purchased this gold leaf paper from Amazon, and it was $8 for 25 sheets. Last but not least, I purchased this beautiful abstract canvas tapestry from Walmart, and it was only $10. So as I spray painted my frame and was waiting for it to dry, I unassembled the rest of the frame, and I'm going to turn over the paper that came in the frame and use it so that the cardboard from the back would not be showing through the canvas. So here you see me just gluing the paper on the back of the cardboard from the frame. Next, I'm laying out my canvas tapestry and getting it to size to fit for the cardboard from the back of the frame. I'm also going to start cutting. And now that I have my canvas cut, I am going to start to glue it to the back of the cardboard frame. Make sure you guys are stretching it to get out all the wrinkles and pulling it tight and taut as you gluing it to the back of the cardboard. As you can see, I'm trying to pull it as tightly as I can to get out all the wrinkles. After that, the next step is to add the gold leaf and paper. I'm using the tacky glue and just applying it. It doesn't have to be a special way, just abstractly applying it. After that, I'm trying to apply the gold leafing on top of the tacky glue. And you guys, as you can see, I had a little bit of a struggle, but at the end, I end up getting it. The gold leaf paper is very thin and very fragile, so you have to be very careful with it. So I did end up at the end coming up with a system that worked for me to apply the gold leaf paper. Some parts of it I had to try to even use my fingers. And then I will go back over it with my tacky glue and my paintbrush. Any excess gold leafing paper I just wiped away gently with a clean paintbrush. And here it is, you guys, the finished result of my art. It came out absolutely beautiful and I love it, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching and continue supporting my channel. And if you like this or want more tutorials of DIYs, then hit that subscribe button, notification. And I want to thank you all for watching. Bye, y'all.